two don't go public. That fucking toothpick gets more attention than I ever did. Hey, I need a loan. You know, I'll never forget the look on Nick's face when I went up to Groton to pick this thing up.
Hi, I'm Nick from Groton.
I can tell you, Doug. I can tell you put his heart and soul into it.
You know, building a boat can be a bit like raising kids. You can put your heart and soul into building into them all the materials required to float through life.
Beaming with pride to have this thing go out with his name on it. Well, it sounds like he really put in the time.
You can really put in the time. You can launch that baby into the world, but you don't know if they'll perform.
Because he knew it'd pay off. He launched his baby into the world and he knew it would perform.
Recently, one of my micro-bootleggers showed up in a film in the genre I call Rich People Behaving Badly.
Dropped to the bottom like a fucking stone.
Found out it's hanging out with a bunch of alcoholic, pill-popping potheads and implicated in a murder. I'm not saying that appearing in the Netflix production The Perfect Couple is dropping to the bottom like a stone, but I always thought the micro-bootlegger was better suited for the kind of entitled guy who smokes cigars.